This is Matlow3D along with FlexedTie and HarlesMac, and we are the creators of a game called Taffy Trot in Meta Horizon. Taffy Trot is a fun and exciting mobile game that throws you straight into a bright and colorful 8-bit styled candy wonderland, where candy and chaos rain down from the clouds above. Your mission? To climb, dodge, and trot your way up the Taffy Trot trail to sweet, sweet victory. The game was designed with the intention of creating a mobile gameplay style that was both addictive, fun, and easy to pick up and play. Starting with the environment, the gameplay area was kept to a medium-sized scale, encouraging more point collection, as well as to allow a lot of visually interesting graphics and details to be jam-packed into a single area for the player. The points you earn that are collected from the candies are abundant and very easy to come by. They can be grabbed or collected by simply running over them. Easy to dive into and highly addictive gameplay and visuals were the primary objectives for our game. Gameplay. The gameplay loop created was intended to be fast and fun, short but sweet. When you enter the game, it doesn't take long to figure out where to go and how to play. Instructions and rules for the game are placed at the lobby at the start as soon as you enter. But even if you happen to skip all that, the game was kept very simple to the point where you could learn the game on the go as well. What makes Taffy Trot a unique game experience is that we really wanted to utilize Meta Horizon's physics, simulations, and mechanics system. Instead of your usual OB course that could be learned and mastered over time, Taffy Trot is a game where each time you play the game, you'll have a different experience. Objects will drop and simulate differently every time you play, adding a fun, chaotic, and unpredictable nature to the game that we think players will love. Competitive gameplay. The game also has a very competitive side implemented to it naturally with the leaderboard system. The ease of gathering points was strategically done so that climbing the leaderboard would be easy for the players, and the short loop of the game would allow the player to play the game over and over, making their way back up and down the Taffy Trot trail, hustling their way through the leaderboard ranks. Aside from the leaderboards, competing players can also knock each other backwards on the trail using handheld lollipops that can be grabbed from the lobby. Using these are completely optional to the player, but add just another layer of chaotic and competitive fun to the game. How it was designed. The game visuals were created with a combination of programs such as Blender, 3ds Max, Adobe Creative Suite, Substance 3D Painter, Midjourney, Bing Image Creator, Meta AI, and Meta's all-new Gen AI. Other programs used to make the game include Windsurf, Visual Designer, and the Meta Horizon desktop editor. The back-end game functionality was implemented with the use of TypeScript, Meta Horizon API, and Meta's code block system. Also, fun fact, HarlesMac from our team is musically gifted and a tremendous talent in the music world. So naturally, he was able to create a completely custom soundtrack for our game, using programs such as GarageBand and Ableton Live. Awesome, right? Future-focused. In-world power-ups, alternate courses, and additional environment updates are already planned for the future. With the chaotic simulation-type environment that Taffy Trot embodies, we are already looking forward to updating this game with even more fun and interesting things for players to experience. Personally, we can't wait to see how Taffy Trot will evolve as time goes on. This was a quick demo and rundown of the creation process of Taffy Trot. Thanks for watching.